Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Okay. Finally, the long wait is now over. To our top 7 candidates, good luck. Thank you so much to our judges. Let's all give them a warm round of applause for tonight's very difficult task.
Riya Suting, Katay Babriu na kanong ba Shillong Meghalaya. Kabalayo orong, si Nongïakhun final hagarin sani ko Miss PNI India arajar apusan, kabalalong hagawa. Hagas ngi ublay kalayo Phong ka Pansngiat kom kalado. Dag Pynliem no ikilay Ngut kiwepat kinong shimbenta na kalengkari India. Kumarji Pynliem na kilay Ngut kitay Babriu Nongïakhun banyo Phong ka Pansngiat lado. Riya klala Nongïakhun hagajing ko yaka dynamic reality TV style pageant. Kabanlong kum gajing tinju amtang gajing Babriu hagarinyang karinyon. Henry wat hagabormet bat hagajing pro kabor jabing. Kasamla Riya klapendep ikajing Shong School Hamadan Hindi Pathshala Secondary School bat deka graduation na St. Mary's College Shillong hagagadan aid position haga education honors hausnam arajar khatpra. Klalong ru away nagadakot John ka Daniels ethnic fashion house bat kla job teng kum Grand Miss Northeast hausnam arajar arpaway bat job ru rudli kusnam hagaransan Yakob.
I would be asking for the results of this year's Miss PNI India 2025. So may we call on Malik Isani on stage for the results.
The name I'm going to announce is the winner of Miss PNI India 2025. If for any reason the winner is not able to fulfill her duties, the first runner-up will take over. Good luck to you both. The new Miss PNI India is Riya Suting! That means our first runner-up is Snehashri. Please give a huge round of applause as we see the crowning of the new Miss PNI India, Riya Suting. Take your first walk as Miss PNI India 2025. Now we request our first runner-up 2024 to please crown the first runner-up of 2025, Snehashri Gowda.
If the photo's fine, may we call on Malik on stage for a photo together with the judges.